So today we're going to learn how to use a microscope. First thing we need to do is turn it on. You see the light source light up, you know you're good to go. Next, we need to make sure that our specimen is centered over top of our light source so we can actually see it. So you use our slide adjust over here. One of them moves it forward and back. The other one makes it go side to side. And you use those until your specimen is perfectly centered over top of your light source. The more centered it is, the easier it will be to see as you zoom in to higher powers. Next, you want to make sure your low power is on and aimed down towards your specimen. So that's already done here. Our low power is red. The last thing you do before you look in here is you raise your stage all the way up using the coarse focus. So we're going to spin that until our stage goes all the way up and you know you're there because it stops. Once we're there, we're going to look in and make sure we can see our specimen and that it's in the middle. So we take a peek. My specimen needs a little adjusting. So while I'm looking in here, I'm going to use those slide adjust to put it right smack in the center. Then we're going to use our coarse focus again, the big one, to move our stage so that we can see the specimen more clearly. So while I'm looking through the eyepiece, I'm going to move slowly the coarse focus until I can see my specimen as clear as possible. Now if I go too far, it gets blurry again, I just go back a little bit to get there. Once it's as clear as you can get with the coarse focus, you can use the fine focus, the little one, to make it even more clear. So we adjust. Usually it doesn't take very much fine focus. There. Perfect. Now we're going to take a break and draw what we see on our worksheet. Then we're ready to zoom in. So we're going to take our nose piece and we're going to turn it to our medium power. So our yellow one now is pointing down. Then we do the same thing. We're going to look into our eyepiece and we're going to use the fine focus again to focus it even better. So taking a look, we're going to focus it. Ooh, too far that way. Let's go back. There we go. And you might have to play a little bit with which direction you go to get it to be focused. And fine focus moves things really slowly, so you might have to turn it a lot, and that's okay. All right. Once it's focused, we draw what we see on our worksheet, and then we're ready for our high power. That's the blue one. Once we have it, our nose piece switched, then we can look in and again use our fine focus to adjust and make it super clear to see. Once it's clear, we're ready to draw our last picture and we're all done. Just make sure we turn off our microscope when we're done using it.